Yeah. You ready, Shannon?
Nope.
Wintertime stalked me all through the year, gave me chills in the midsummer heat. On warm Sydney beaches, with soft autumn leaves, I felt cold ice underneath my feet. Painstaking, slow aching, watching the clock, days in my mind passing by. It was a deep, dark December, down in my soul, and you were the 4th of July. When I got up to the jukebox, there was nothing but junk. All the good songs already got played. People pass by my street while I'm out mowing the lawn, and I got no time to sharpen up the blade. Meanwhile, the days they pile up on my desk, and I'm stuck in this endless routine. I'm just another overtime day at the office, and you are a mad Halloween. Trick or treat! Should old acquaintance be forgotten and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgotten and old lang syne? For old lang syne, my Joe, for old lang syne, we'll drink a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Maybe the seasons have finally come around. Now I see light before I just saw gray. I was the longest night in a long dark year, but you were the sunrise today. Yesterday is hard to remember. Tomorrow is hard to believe. And I'll be your New Year's Adam if you'll be my New Year's Eve. Yesterday is hard to remember. Tomorrow is so hard to believe. And I'll be your New Year's Adam if you'll be my New Year's Eve. I'll be your New Year's Adam if you'll be my New Year's Eve. If you'll be my New Year's Eve. If you'll be my New Year's Eve.
And Shannon, we used to play that 15 years ago.
No, this one.
Oh, we never played that. So we had a request for another song, but we hadn't prepared for it. I don't have my harmonica, so we're doing this old classic Fairbanks. It's the coffee song.